In this video, I'll be showing you how to prepare flaxseed gel from scratch. It is super easy to do and this gel serves so many benefits. It can be used as a hair mask, curl defining gel and an edge control. And today, I'll be using it as a pre-poo treatment. Alright sis, let's get this show on the road. You'll be needing a funnel, an applicator bottle, an iron strainer and measuring cups. Add about half cup of flaxseed to your cooking pot. I'll be adding 2 cups of water to half cup of flaxseed. Feel free to add up to 3 cups of water if you want. I'm gonna go ahead and place this on a stove and let it simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes on medium heat. Please ensure it's on medium heat. When it comes to a boil, you can give it a stir so it doesn't stick to the bottom. If you look closely, you will see that our gel is starting to form. You can leave it for like an extra 3 minutes, and once it's done, please strain your gel immediately, because once it starts to cool off, it becomes very difficult to strain and you might have to put it on heat again. As you can see, I took it straight from the burner to the iron strainer. That's why you need an iron strainer. Also, use your spoon to give this a good stir to get all the gel out. I tried using cheesecloth to get the rest of the gel to no avail, but what I have in my bowl is more than enough for my pre-poo. While your gel is still warm or hot, please kindly transfer it into your applicator bottle because you want to use it while it's still warm. This is going to ensure that the gel penetrates your scalp and your hair. So please make use of this while it's still warm, not completely hot. Applying this is quite easy. So I've been on low burn for a while now, so I'm just going to take it down and start the application. Before you apply your flaxseed gel, you just need to spritz your hair with water. Just saturate your entire head with water. Then you can go ahead to apply your flaxseed gel. Flaxseed gel has so many benefits to the hair. But before we talk about those benefits, let's apply this first. So like I said earlier, you have to saturate your hair first with water. And the next thing you are going to do is to section your hair into smaller portions so that you'll be able to apply the flaxseed gel on your entire hair. After saturating your hair with water, the next thing you want to do is to finger detangle to get rid of all knots. So the next thing I'll be doing is to apply my flaxseed gel from my root all the way to the ends of my hair. Please do not neglect any part of your hair, as all the parts of your hair are very important in the pre-poo process. As you can see, I even took out time to apply this gel on the ends of my hair. After applying this gel and making sure it penetrates your hair, you will go ahead to finger detangle again and then use a wide tooth comb to detangle your hair. While detangling my hair, it felt so easy and my comb was able to run through my head. I figured that section was too much, so I had to section it into 2 and apply the flaxseed gel again and just go through the whole process again. When you are done applying your flaxseed gel, you want to go ahead to twist that section back up. I'll be repeating this for all the section of my hair. So while you are watching me do it, I would like to tell you about the benefits of using flaxseed gel on your natural hair. Flaxseed gel reduces inflammation, it improves moisture in the hair, it reduces dandruff as well as frizz, it also enhances the shine of the hair. This gel promotes the overall health of natural hair and is also known to nourish and strengthen the hair. The omega-3s in flaxseed also help to strengthen the hair, improving its elasticity and reducing breakage. In the process of using this gel on my hair, I noticed that my comb could easily run through my hair, so this gel makes detangling way easy and the hair more manageable. I also noticed that this gel doesn't have a bad smell, so those of you running away from ingredients like onion, garlic, ginger and other lovely ingredients I use on my hair, feel free to make good use of this. It doesn't smell as bad as the rest of my hair treatments. Flaxseed gel also provides definition and hold. It can be used to define curls and create hold for styles like twist out, wash and goes, and many more. Flax seeds can be used in numerous ways. They can be used to make flaxseed gel, hair masks, deep conditioners, and can also be used as a styling gel. Flaxseed gel is a natural, versatile, and effective way to enhance the health and appearance of natural hair. So if you have never used flaxseed gel, consider adding it to your natural hair routine. Personally, this is the second time I'm making use of flaxseed gel. The first time I made use of flaxseed gel was the time I learned it from Miss Seni on how to take down your hair. So apart from using this as a deep conditioner, you can also use this to safely take down any hairstyle, as it reduces breakage and makes sure that your hair is moisturized in the process. Before now, I had never been a fan of trying different kinds of pre-poo. I was used to hot oil treatments and other kinds of pre-poo. So, will I be using this again? Of course. Flaxseed gel felt good after I made use of this. So, I'll be making use of this again and again and again. Plus, flaxseed is packed with so many benefits. So, why not? I'll be using this on my entire head. It took me time. I think it took me up to 2 hours to do this, or will I say 1 hour 30 minutes? I can't even remember, but I know I was so tired, I was exhausted when I was done doing this because my hair is actually very full. Moving over to the last section, yay, I'll be doing that once again. For those of you that did not understand the first time or were not following, you spritz your hair with water, add your gel as much as possible. Make sure it penetrates your hair. Make sure it touches every part of your hair from your roots to the ends of your hair. Squeeze that in very well. Finger detangle. Use your comb to detangle it and then twist that back up. You're still here. Aww, thank you so much for getting to this point of this video with me. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, please consider subscribing, as I'll be releasing many videos about hair care and how to take care of your hair, tips, tricks, and every other thing added to it. So with the rest of my gel, I'll be going in with this gel from my scalp, and I'll make sure that it touches every part of my hair. I made sure that my scalp especially did not escape from this. My room was messed up, but I was happy. I cleaned up later. I'll be covering my hair with a plastic bag, and I'll be leaving this for about 1 to 2 hours. After about 2 hours, because I had to do a lot of cleaning, I took this out. My hair felt really, really good. I proceeded with my wash day, and on this very day, I made a very special deep conditioner I'd love to share with you. Why not click this video right here to see how I made this deep conditioner? Very potent, very powerful, and will be helpful for your hair. See you there.